Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial today. In this video we're going to show you how you can use our double-sided replacement tape. These are ideal for your Erabella tape in hair extensions. Now what you will see that you will get 60 tabs in each packet. So what you want to do is you want to just gently remove the existing glue that's still on your tape in hair extension. You can see it's peeling off so easily. And once you have done that, just disregard it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your tape in hair your tapes and then just gently peel away the white tabs. You will see it's so easy as we have custom made these, so you can just gently take them from the middle and just peel them back. And once you're done with that, just take your tape in hair extension and just gently place it onto the tab. And what you're going to do is you're going to start building that tab as you build your tape in hair extension. So you'll just move up the ladder, if you want to call it that. And then once you are ready to reapply your tape in hair extensions, just peel that away and you will see that you have a fresh tab, a fresh strand ready to reapply and have your extensions in your own hair. And that is how you use our double-sided tape. It's so easy and so fast.